Alright, so I just got this headset. It works for both the console here, and if you also have like a PC, you can actually use it too. It's very bright, so it shows really nice as you're playing. It changes up. I think it's only one mode where it keeps cycling up. That's the only minus, but it's very comfortable, and the mic also does light up a little bit. But other than that, I mean, this is a really good headset. If you're looking for something like it for the console, you can get it yourself. PC wise, you can also get it too. They also come along with the 2 jacks, which they're right over here, and then the other cord too. So